A system of equations, as far as what we're dealing with at this point, looks like this. We have two unknowns and two equations, each that include those unknowns. So when we have two unknowns, an x and a y, we have to have two equations to figure those out. And so essentially what we're doing is trying to find a point that when you plug it in to this equation, will make that equation true. And when you plug it into this equation, will make that equation true as well. So you can just sit here and guess a bunch of different numbers and try to make that work out. But that's not super efficient always. So there's some other ways to do this. So one of them is graphing. So what we do is we graph each individual equation or line. So I'm going to start with the top one, y equals negative 3x plus 6. So just a little review, I'll start by graphing my y-intercept at positive 6. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's right there. And then I know that my slope is negative 3 or negative 3 over 1, right? So I'm going to start here and go down 3 because it's negative to the right 1. I'm going to keep going. Down 3 to the right 1. Okay. And then what I do at that point is I draw my line. Okay. Now I'm going to graph my other line, y equals 2x minus 4. This one's done. So y equals 2x minus 4. So I'm going to start at negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I am going to work with my slope, which is 2 over 1. And I'm going to go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. And we can see that they intersect right here. So this point where they intersect, which is 2, 0, this is a solution for both of these. Okay. So, for example, if I were to take this first one, y equals negative 3x plus 6, and plug this in, right, I would have my y would be 0 equals negative 3 times my x, which is 2, plus 6. And I would have 0 equals negative 6 plus 6. And negative 6 plus 6 sure equals 0. So guess what? That point works for that top equation. Does it work for the second one? Y equals 2x minus 4. We will find out. So again, my y is 0 equals 2 times my x is 2 minus 4. 0 equals 4 minus 4, and 4 minus 4 is 0. So it works for that one too. So this is super cool, right? When you graph these two, wherever they intersect is the solution to both equations. It works. It makes those solutions or those equations very, very much true. Okay, so this would be our answer, our solution.